kids-tory-toon. Like, share and subscribe. Story title: The Great Bird Adventure. In a colorful bird village nestled in the heart of the forest lived Benny, a young bluebird who dreamed of flying high above the treetops. Oh, how I wish I could fly like those big birds up there. Ruby the robin lands beside Benny. Hi Benny, you know my cousin told me about a magical place where birds learn to fly. It's called the Avian Academy. Really, Ruby? Do you think they would teach me to fly? With Ruby's encouragement, Benny set off to find the Avian Academy, where birds of all kinds learn to soar. Inside the Avian Academy, Benny meets Sammy, the sparrow. Hi there. Are you here to learn how to fly too? Yes, I am. But I'm not sure if I can do it. Don't worry, Benny. We are all here to help each other. Benny and Sammy attend flight lessons with Lulu the wise owl. Flying is not just about flapping your wings. It's about believing in yourself. Next, the mischievous magpie challenges Benny. Hey Benny, let's see if you can fly through this hoop. Benny hesitates, but with encouragement from Ruby, he takes the challenge. Benny felt the wind beneath his wings and soared through the hoop. He had done it. After weeks of hard work and determination, Benny, Sammy and their friends graduated from the Avian Academy as confident flyers. Benny and his friends returned to the bird village as a proud and skilled flyer, inspiring other young birds to follow their dreams.